Introducing the 2025 Citroen C5 Aircross E-Series MHEV MY62. This MPV in sleek grey offers a 1.2-litre petrol-electric engine with automatic transmission. Packed with luxurious features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and ambient lighting, this vehicle ensures a comfortable and safe ride with ABS, parking assistance and lane departure warning. Plus, with a full multi-point health check, comprehensive warranty and servicing to manufacturer spec, you can trust its reliability. Visit Dooley Motors Carlow or call us today to drive home in style and security.